Hey everybody, Adam here with Avon Protection. A question that we get time and time again is what powered air do I need for my environment? So we have a variety of options here on the table, and it's going to start with the magic that is our blower motor. The same blower motor is going to follow through the entire process, so make sure you keep your eye on this. What we're going to start with is the EZAIR assembly. This is a breath assist device, meaning it's not a PAPR, but you still get a nice refreshing flow of air in the mask. We're going to take this blower motor, place it inside of the EZAIR carrier, simply place it inside, double check that the on-off button is in the correct position. If you don't see the on-off button or there's any sort of pressure to putting the blower motor into the carrier, that means it's upside down. Simply take it out, flip it around the other direction. Once it's inside of here, we're going to make sure that everything is clear out of the way. And then we're going to use these snap buttons to click the motor into place. These could be a little bit tight, but that's by design. We want to make sure that this isn't shaking or moving around inside of the carrier. So now that that has been buttoned in place, we're going to get our drawstring out of the way, and we're going to place our filter inside of that same hole. This can be used with any of our filters, GP-CF50, CBR-CF50, MIL-CF50, so on and so forth. The only thing it can't be used with is any of our bayonet style filters. So now that that's in place, simply going to tighten up that drawstring. And now you're going to have a little bit of a tail here. That excess tail is just going to get pushed away into the side of the pouch that the filter has been placed into. From there, simply attach your blower hose. Now I have a very nice, easy, compact unit. This can be mollied onto my kit. It can be worn on a belt, essentially wherever you need to place this, and you'll get nice refreshing air into the mask. Unscrew this assembly. Reverse the processes. Unscrew the filter. And then undo the snaps. The snaps are easily undone with this pull tab here. Pull that. And now we have this taken out. So, same blower motor. Now we're going to go to the PAPR plenum. This PAPR plenum has two holes on the top for your filters and one assembly piece down here for the blower motor itself. So what we're going to do is simply take this, screw it on in place. You'll hear it clicking. That's a ratcheting mechanism to make sure that it stays in place. You can't really over tighten this. From there, the filters are going to be placed on here. One right here and another one right here. And then from there, the same thing as the EZAIR. I'm going to take that same blower motor and screw that onto the hose. And now we have what's assembled is our PAPR unit. Now what's different is it's not in a carrying case, such as the MP-PAPR, and it's not a part of the CS-PAPR assembly, but this is generally speaking what you're going to find with your MP-PAPR and a portion of your CS-PAPR, and we'll get there in a minute. What this blower just did is with the same motor, it's detecting a higher amount of resistance because now there's two filters, and it is going to now change the flow from assist to a PAPR. So now we're at 120 liters per minute. This assembly can now be placed inside of the MP-PAPR carrier. And when inside of the MP-PAPR carrier, you also have a very comfortable straps for a backpack configuration. You have a Velcro pad here in case you need to use that. And then you also have a hydration bladder as well. If you'll notice on the back of the pack, you'll have easy access for the hydration bladder for refilling. The same unit minus the hose will also be used for the CS-PAPR configuration. So what we see here off to my left, your right, is the ST54. Part of the ST54 combination unit is going to be the CS-PAPR. It's going to be this bladder with whatever filters you're running, the blower motor as well, connected to the CS-PAPR hose. The easiest way to identify what hose you have is to locate this box near the bottom of the hose towards the PAPR blower on the assembly. From there, you will also find your line in that allows the SD54 tank air to flow through the same hose assembly. For on-the-fly change, you have the control panel here on the end of the hose. This can be changed between PAPR, SCBA, or APR, depending on what you're needing to run at that moment. If you have any questions about anything you've seen here, or if you have any questions, comments, or concerns, please reach out to Avon Protection Customer Service, place an inquiry, and we'll get back to you as soon as we can.